Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn some daily use, English sentences that we don't use in our everyday lives. Listen to these sentences carefully and repeat them after me. Regular practice will help improve your English speaking skills. So let's get started. The dog chased the cat up the tree. The dog chased the cat up the tree. My grandmother loves to bake cakes. My grandmother loves to bake cakes. They don't have any money to pay the bill. They don't have any money to pay the bill. I like to go to the mall. I like to go to the mall. The cat is sleeping on the pillow. The cat is sleeping on the pillow. Did you hear about the new restaurant? Did you hear about the new restaurant? We are going to this store tomorrow. We are going to this store tomorrow. I am taking an English class. I am taking an English class. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. Grandma has a new puppy. Name is Charlie. Grandma has a new puppy. Name is Charlie. The trees outside my window are green and full of leaves. The trees outside my window are green and full of leaves. I'm going to grow up and have a farm. I'm going to grow up and have a farm. My favorite book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. My favorite book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. The teacher teaches us math every day at school. The teacher teaches us math every day at school. We need more time for our homework. We need more time for our homework. I want to go home. I want to go home. They are going to the store with me today. They are going to the store with me today. I like chocolate ice cream better than vanilla ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream better than vanilla ice cream. We live in New York City. We live in New York City. They went to the park yesterday after dinner. They went to the park yesterday after dinner. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. I like cookies and milk for a snack. I like cookies and milk for a snack. I work at a bank. I work at a bank. We have a big house. We have a big house. My grandmother loves to bake cakes. My grandmother loves to bake cakes. They don't have any money to pay the bill. They don't have any money to pay the bill.